everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some spiral head pin earrings, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we're going to make some spiral head pin earrings. You're going to need your spiral head pins. Now these I made myself. I'll put a link in the description for the tutorial for how to make your own. You're going to need ear wires. You're going to need 8/0 seed beads because that's what fits the wire gauge that I used. You're going to need your snips. You're going to need your flat nose pliers and some round nose pliers. So let's get started. We are going to do 5 of these kind of metallic black beads. 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 5 of these clear beads, except they all went to the edges, so here we go. So we're going to put 5 of those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll do 5 more of the black. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now with your spiral facing you, you're going to use your nail and you're going to bend that wire, okay? And the reason you're using your nail is because you wanted a nice close bend to those beads. Now we're going to take our snips and you're going to hold this and this so that this piece doesn't go flying. See? Now you're going to take your round nose pliers. You're going to grab the end of that and we're going to, whoops, keep all the beads on this side. Okay. So you're going to take your pliers and put it where you want as far as how big of a loop you want, and we're just going to turn that around all the way around. Oops, mine bent, until you meet the other side. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to take our ear wire and using our flat nose pliers, we're going to open it. And we are going to attach what we just made. Close it back up. And there you go, guys. You have a very cute earring. Isn't that nice? And they're quick and easy to make. You can make a whole bunch of them, all different kinds, and sell them at craft sales. You can also make them and use them as gifts for people. Yeah, or make them for yourself. Have a pair for every outfit, right? So that's it. Do the other one and you're done. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And be sure to check that description. I always put all kinds of goodies in my description. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.